everybody, and welcome to my channel. Miss Jackie Russell here. Hey guys, I'm getting ready today for tonight, and I want to welcome you to our After 6 formal Get Ready With Me makeup collab. Oh yeah, I'm doing something a little different. I was invited by our host, Stephanie from NC Mountain Momma, and she asked me about a month ago, would you want to participate in this fun little activity collab? And I said, I certainly would. Sounds like fun. So there are 9 of us all together. We are going to all get ready, and we're going to start from scratch to the 9s. So bear with me as we get through this. I want to tell you who's involved. We have our host, NC Mountain Momma, Stephanie. We have Jewlz and M, and they are new to me. I don't know much about Jewlz and M, but I believe it's a mother-daughter, and you all can go and check their channel out because that's what I have been doing. And there might be another one on here that's new to me. They may not be new to you, but we're learning each other and we're becoming friends. And there is Bonnie with Bonnie's Bargains. There's Leslie with Hillbilly Nails and Makeup. There's Connie from Connie's From Up North. And there's Kim with Kim's A Little ALot. Then there's Laura Wooten. And Laura Wooten, as you know, is my daughter. And there's one more, Kimmie's Kitchen and More. Now, out of all of these, I do want to just point out that Laura Wooten is a new channel. She has her regular unboxing channel, but this is a vlog Laura Wooten channel, and that's the one that you will find her on. And we'll have all the links. There'll be a playlist so that you can get to all the videos and check us all out, because we're all going to start from scratch, and we're going to be dressed up to the 9s for an evening after 6 p.m. Now, I want to tell you, I have already showered and wash my hair, and I'm going to go through my skincare, and I'm going to be doing these in segments. So right now I want to tell you what I've done. I've washed my hair with Joico. I use the Moisture Recovery shampoo and conditioner, and I just brought the shampoo in here. I scrubbed down with a sponge jelly, and I was using Lavender Sky, which smells very nice, and I'm all buffed up. And after I got finished with my shower, I always lotion down in some kind of lotion or body cream. And this is the body cream that I had gotten out of my Goldie box for the spring, and it's real rich and emollient, and it smells wonderful. So I've got that covered all over. Then, of course, I washed my face, and I used Graydon. This is an aloe milk cleanser, 3-in-1. I really love it. And I also use the apricot cleansing oil. So I've used both of these, cleansed my face, and then when I got ready to prep my face, I put on vitamin C serum, and this is a complex serum. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, and could have some other things in it, but the main thing is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And the brand on that is Naturum, I guess is how you say that, Naturum. And then I use my Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro, and this has lots of different peptides and different kind of lift treatments in there. And before I actually put those on, I use some Elizabeth Arden. This is the 8-Hour Miracle Hydrating Mist, which I might could use a little more of this. Guys, this is just a real fine mist. It's really nice. I love it. And then after I did that, I put on my moisturizer, which I use Estee Lauder. This is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Bright, and this is real creamy. Just give you a little look. Yeah, I'm already getting halfway down on that big jar. So that was my moisturizer. So now I'm gonna go and put on my makeup, and I'll be back. So like I said, it's gonna be in sections. So bear with me. If I haven't welcomed you, welcome to my channel, and I look forward to showing you myself all decked out. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm back, and I have my makeup on, and I brought everything I put on, okay? So y'all can at least see how I get ready. So to start off with, after I put my primer on, which you know what? Oh, I did bring my primer. Right now I'm using Becca Skincare or Skin Love Brightening and Blur Primer, and I really like this primer. It's almost out, but it's a great primer. After my primer, I use a mixture of two different Estee Lauder foundations. The Double Wear, and this is Septia. And then I mix it with the Rich Ginger. So I'm using a darker color, Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is Septra. And I'm mixing it with Rich Ginger, which is actually a 5-in-1. So it's a neutral with a cool. And I've got these two on. Oh, and before I forget, I did put on my sunblock before I did the primer, and I used Logically Skin Professional Sunblock SPF 50, and I always put sunblock on, and I applied everywhere. So, after I did that, I used Estee Lauder's concealer. This has a conditioner on one end, and then the concealer on the other end, and I used Estee Lauder concealer. And then after I got my concealer on, I did my eyebrows, and I used the $1 Billion BBB Universal Color Eyebrow Pencil. Then I decided, I'm probably going out of the order of things. After I got my foundations on and my concealer, I used my light to medium intensity of Lucidity Translucent Loose Powder, Estee Lauder's. So it has a little bit of color, not much. Kind of like that, I guess you could say. But I put that all over, kind of take off the shine a little bit. I just learned from somewhere that when you put concealer on, as soon as it's on, don't let it just go without having a powder on there. You need to set it. So I set it with that. And then I put on my blush. And today I use Milani. And this is the Tea Rose Color Powder Blush. And I used a little bit of this London Saité. And this is a blush and highlighter combination that I got. So it's got a little bit of both. And then, if I didn't have enough shine, I used Illuminati's little shine packet here off to the side, which looks like that. So I used those. And then I did contour my face with my Bronze Goddess. This is my 2021 Bronze Goddess. I'm still working on it. So, and I put some underneath like the chin area, and then a little bit on each side just to kind of frame, and down my nose a little bit. So I got my face all done as far as color, and then I went into my eyes. Now for my eyes, I used several different things. And one of them was, I did use the Eye Method, the eyeliner stamp. You've got the right and the left, so I did that on each side. And then I used their eyeliner pencil, which, oh, here it is. They have an eyeliner pencil, and it's a liquid eyeliner, and I used that to go underneath my eyes and just kind of perfect it a little bit. And I don't know if it's perfected, but that's what I did. And then I used my eyeshadow. I broke out the Star Ranch. Oh, yeah, remember I just won this last week from Shannon over at Shannon Carroll. I thought, wow, I'm going to try this out. Boy, howdy. Look at this palette. Look how pretty it is. This thing is highly pigmented, okay? I didn't hardly have to use anything, and I don't even know if you can tell what I put on there. I used, this is going to be hard. Okay, I'm going to flip it this way. I used this color, this color, this color, and that color. I used a little bit of the green. I used this blue. I used this. I actually used the whole palette now that I'm looking at it. Oh my God. Okay. I used the whole palette. I've got a little bit of all these colors all over my eyes. Now, whether I did it right, I don't know. I've not ever used a palette from Star Ranch, but I will tell you that the pigmentation is very creamy, and it's highly pigmented. It doesn't take very much to go a long ways. And I kind of trimmed the top of my eyelids with this aqua blue. I like that color. So, and I don't know if you can tell that or not. After it starts blending all in, I don't even know if you can really tell. But I use the Star Ranch. Thank you, Shannon. I use Estee Lauder's Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. And guys, I tried to use some false eyelashes. I just couldn't figure out how to do it. So I just had to go with my own eyelashes. So I tried to put on as much of this as I could to make them a little bit more dramatic, okay? And then on my lips, I liked and I used the Jeffree Star lip pencil, which I keep seeing in the corner. I'm not sure if I have that. Not sure if I have that on right. It's probably just the silly shape of my lips. But anyways, I use the Star Ranch lip liner. And then because it's a evening, I use my MAC Red. So, that's what I use to get ready. And of course, we're dressing up to the nines, so I've got to go put on the rest of everything else. So, I'll be back. So, I am doing this in sections, and I'm having fun while I'm doing it, and I hope you are too. And I'll see you soon. Okay, everybody. Ta-da! This is my after 6 look. What do you think? What do you think? How about this look? Let me back up here so you can get a full look. I got my black dress on. I've got my silver pumps on. And we're just ready to go out on the town. So what do you guys think? And this is about how slow I would have to walk using these shoes, because I am not used to wearing pumps. A long time ago, I used to run in the airports with my pumps on. Oh yeah, and I did, because I would be close to missing my flights, and I flew back and forth from Dallas, Texas to Corpus Christi every week. And I would have to catch the 6 a.m. flight so that I could get to Corpus Christi by 7 and get to my office down there by 8 o'clock. So I learned real quick how to run in high heels, especially when I thought I was going to miss my plane. And my company that I worked for didn't even know I was living in Dallas. They thought I still lived in Corpus Christi, which I did have an apartment there. But I had moved back to the Dallas area, and for 2 years, I flew back and forth every week. Paid for it myself, but I made a lot of money, so I was able to do that. And they just had no clue until I told them. But that's not about this program. Hey guys, what do you think? Do you like my little poofed out hair and my little dress? Do you think I was all razzle dazzle and this and that? What do you think about this After 6 collab? I had so much fun doing this. I hope you all have enjoyed it. And I just want to thank Stephanie. Stephanie of NC Mountain Momma thought up this collab, invited a few people, and here I am. And I am so thankful. Thank you so much again, Stephanie. And I appreciate all the ladies that are joining in too. So y'all be sure and check them all out. But hey, did I tell you there's a giveaway? There sure is. And I'm going to tell you all about it right now. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address in the continental USA. You must be subscribed to all 9 channels. And I listed all of them, and I'll have them posted down the bottom in the description. We will also have a playlist so that you can get to it, and that it'll be easy to watch all these videos. And I know you're going to want to see how each of us looked in our After 6 evening attire. So I hope y'all have really enjoyed this. I know I have. Now, as far as continuing this information on the giveaway, YouTube or any of the products that I showed earlier in my video, Estee Lauder, Jeffree Star, I know I mentioned a bunch of different ones. None of them are in any way, shape, or form affiliated with this video and or this giveaway. I have purchased everything with my own money, and my secret code word is going to be Razzle Dazzle. That's right. We're having us a Razzle Dazzle After 6 party. We're ready to go out and jam and just show off our stuff. So, the first thing that's going to be in this giveaway is you've got to get ready, right? So you're going to shower up with a sponge gel. This is Freeze Your Hair. Then after you've done your shower, well, you need to have a little bit of Earth Harbor's Laguna. That's right. Their replenishing body serum. That way you'll be all smooth and moisturized and ready to go. And then after that, you're going to be putting on a little bit of makeup. So you might as well have a little brow gel to get those brows just perfect. And we're going to have Luna by Luna. And then after that, you might want to glitter up your eyes a little bit and have a little shine while you're out on the town. And these are beautiful colors, all different glitter eyeshadows. And you could not go without having your red lipstick. And so I have some Kosas red lipstick. It is very nice. Let me show it to you. Kosas lipstick. It has a magnetic closure. Look at that color, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have MAC red on. And I think this is Eureka, it says. Eureka red. So that is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep, you're going to have some fun. You're going to be out on the town. And while you're out on the town, if you're like me, there's one thing I always carry with me when I'm out on the town after 6 at any party. I'm going to have me a little wristlet purse, and inside there, guess what? I'm going to have my lipstick in there, of course, and maybe a little mirror and something else, maybe a little piece of gum. But this is going to be in the giveaway as well. It's a holiday after 6 look. It's a festive look. It's gold and shiny red on the inside, so it could go for Christmas too. So you're going to be all set. So just use the word razzle dazzle down in the comments, and you will get the lipstick, the eyeshadow pack, the little wristlet purse, the Laguna Earth Harbor, the Luna by Luna eyebrow gel, and the sponge jelly. That's right. So I'm excited. I hope you are. Did y'all like my look? What do you think? I guess give me a comment down there. How did I do for my after 6? Did you like it? I thought about having my hair up. I really did. And I actually did have it up yesterday and was going to film. And I just thought, you know, if it was me, my normal self going out on the town, yeah, this is how I'd be. I'd be having my hair down. I do like to do updos every once in a while, and I do because of the hot weather, okay? Now, I will admit that. But I also like just having a full blown out look. So that's what I decided to do. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I can't wait for y'all to see everybody else. And don't forget, you must be subscribed to all 9 channels. And I know you're going to want to see all these ladies. So, I mean, it shouldn't be a drudgery because, look, you're going to get to see, you're going to get to watch us from the shower all the way to made up. But anyways, that's all I have for today. And I want to thank you all for joining me. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.